Little Haiti Films, Cappuccino, New York. Today we have Cappuccino, dog grooming, showing us how to groom our dogs and cats.
Yes, sir. And that's what we're doing today.
Everybody need to help.
We had to get some clippers. That's the thicker clippers. Look, see this, watch this. You guys want to see a dog hold on to a person? Watch this. Watch this. Now, how about that? Hold on, see. Yeah, I trimmed it. The other one is bigger. I thought what you said. The other one. That's why we get these clippers here. We gotta get some. These not really dog clippers. These regular clippers. See? See? Yeah, they're not these are no regular clippers. So, carve them up. See, I can get Denise dog to do a lot of tricks too. Denise got a little bitty dog. Yeah. Yeah, man, this is my little poodle. She was this shaggy at first. I cut her down. I was gonna knock her out for the day. We broke my brush. Yeah. Yeah. Hello, Mama. Hey, Mama, how you doing today? There you go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yep. Can't see his face. See? As long as the other one's out, that's cool. Just leave them both be out. And this one was like that. Yeah. See, these are thoroughbreds. You see the blue skin? See, you got the blue skin. It's good dogs. See, got the blue skin. Oh, you ain't getting trimmed, so now you tripping. You ain't getting trimmed. Can't see. Completely done. That's why yesterday I wanted to do, because he was furry like that. This one here was saying for, hey, hi. And he's my friend today. He said, okay. You have to watch me so you don't cut their ears, so you got to feel where the ear is at, right? And that's what you got to do. That was the same way yesterday. Yep, same way. Hey, hi. See, she's my friend now, see? Hey, little mama. Hey. She's my friend now. You want to hide his eyes so he can't see. Well, that's going to be last. I see that now with this one. Nope. Relax. It's okay. Relax. It's okay. here too. You can't be right here too. Okay, thank you for the kiss. Can I have another kiss? Can I have another kiss? Oh, thank you for cutting your hair. Thank you. See, she wants to be right there with you, that one.